Welcome back students to the part 2 of the cell structure and function video. In this part we are going to study about the characteristics of cells, their shape and size. So let's get started. Talking characteristics of cells provide structure and support to the body of an organism. The cell's interior is organized into different individual organelles surrounded by a separate membrane. The nucleus, which is the major organelle, holds genetic information necessary for the reproduction and cell growth. Every cell has one nucleus and membrane-bound organelles in the cytoplasm. Mitochondria, a double membrane-bound organelle, is mainly responsible for the energy transactions that are vital for the survival of the cell. Lysosome digests unwanted materials in the cell. On the other hand, endoplasmic reticulum plays a very significant role in the internal organization of the cell by synthesizing selective molecules and processing, directing, and sorting them to their appropriate location. Talking about the shape and the size of the cells, they have various shapes and various sizes. The cell shows variety of shapes depending on the function that they perform. Different shapes of cells are as follows: oval, round or spherical, which is human RBC. RBC stands for red blood cells. Ovum is also an example of oval shaped cell. Talking about the spindle shaped cells, which are long and pointed at the both ends, muscle cell comes under the example of spindle shaped cells. Nerve cells, on the other hand, are branched and elongated. Guard cells, which are present in the leaves, which helps in the transfer of oxygen and carbon dioxide between leaves and the environment, are kidney shaped. Some cells which keep on changing their shape are WBC in human beings, that is white blood cells. Amoeba, which is a single celled, both these cells keeps on changing their shape during locomotion, through pseudopodia, which is false feet, and during the digestion of food vacuole. The cell and its components are enclosed in a membrane which is called cell membrane. These membranes provide shape to the cells of the plants as well as of the animals. Plant cells have an additional covering over their membranes which is called cell wall. Cell walls protects and keep the shape and the rigidity of the cells intact. Let us see some of the examples of the different shapes of the cell with the help of the pictures. As you can see, the first one is a smooth muscle cell. This is the spindle shaped cell. On the other hand, blood cells and fat cells are oval and round in shape. Nerve cells, as we have already discussed, is branched. Bone cell has a very unique shape. So is the case with the sperm. Ovum is an oval shaped human cell. This was all about the part 2 of the video, cell structure and function. In the next video we will talk about the structure and the functions of the cells in more detail. Don't forget to hit like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay safe. Thank you for watching.